Welcome to Penmap encoreT. In this short video, I will walk you through the TabletPC edition of Penmap Encore. So let's get started. This is the home screen of Penmap encoreT. At the top we have the navigation bar and at the bottom we have the application menu. We start with the workspace manager where we can import data or use the table of contents to load raster or vector background maps. I load here a vector background map as shapefiles. So now we see the map and we can use the pan function to pan the map or zoom to window to zoom to an area of interest and then return with the zoom to the last zoom level. The second here is the instrument setup and resection. The third application is the data collection, and from every application we return to the home screen by clicking the home button or the Penmap button on the top bar. Then we have the stakeout, the settings and the edit function. The next is query function or measure on the map. And last but not least, here the export function into various formats. All the buttons are large that you can use your fingers, you don't need a stylus. So let's get started with the data collection. We enter the application and we zoom into an area where we want to do our data collection. And two things we just need. We select the feature here to the right. In this example, we use a fence feature as a line feature, polyline. And we select one of the methods. And first we tap and hold on the GNSS icon to change or verify the settings, like here the collection mode. We want to use an average position. Yes, that's selected. And now we click on the GNSS icon to connect to the GPS receiver. The badge shows us we track at the moment 6 satellites. Now the first thing is we snap to an existing node, like here the corner of the building, which will be our start point for the fence. And then in the middle of the screen we see our current position in GPS now as a green icon that we can measure. We press the GNSS icon and we collect now 5 epochs and the point is recorded and the fence is drawn automatically. We change now the method just to simulate this with the pen. We can change now from a polyline to an arc, measure the middle point and the end point of the arc, change back to the polyline and use the snap method to snap to the corner of the other building. When we close it, we see the right arc and we see the final feature. Okay, we can add another feature by tap and hold on the feature icon. So now we have 2 line features activated. So we can collect now 2 line features basically in parallel. So we start with the telecommunication line here in purple. If we want to toggle to the other feature, we just click on the feature and we can select and collect the other feature. Just clicking on the non-active icon feature, we can change it. Now click again on the fence becomes active and we can finish the fence feature. Now we toggle back to the telecommunication line and here we can attach GIS records. Now we want to change the feature. We just click on the feature and we select here from the redlining page the comment. So we can enter text. We use the free node method and place, for instance, a street name here. We get a large keyboard. Again, you can use your fingers. You don't need a stylus for Penmap. And after placing the text, we can use the scale or rotate function to adjust the text to our liking. Okay, we accept on this. So now in this demo, we used all the features to the top right, which is optimized for right-handed people. But you can change this also if you are left-handed. Go to the settings, change to left-handed mode. And if you go to the data collection, you will see now your features to the left, which is ideal for left-handed people in the field, especially on large screens. Want to learn more? Please check out also the other video tutorials of Penmap Encore. Thank you.